Hello guys! Hello! Ang kapin yun. Ito, meron tayong aircon ngayon dito. Ang problema ay hindi natin makargahan ng Freon kasi may leak, no? So ngayon binabacuum natin yung nire-recover natin yung Freon. No? Kinargahan ko siya before para mapahin ko kung saan ang leak. Pero hindi ko siya kinargahan tuluyan kasi bawal kargahan at hayaang sumisingaw ang Freon, no? So bawal na bawal yan dito sa Canada. So ayan, oh, tignan mo, nagkarga ako ng 500 pero I recovered only 265. Okay? So we using a snap-on machine air conditioner. Okay? Yan. So siguro naman accurate yan. Tapos na-recover natin is 6 ml na langis o pag oil. So anyway, bakit nagli-leak? Saan ba nanggagaling ang leak, no? I just want to show you kung saan nanggaling ang leak. So, meron tayong ginamit dito na pag-test, no? Ng leak. At saka may lights tayo. So, itong lights na to, UV to. So, makikita natin kasi nilagyan ko na to ng Freon, ng oil with a dye, no? So para makita natin kung saan nanggaling yung leak. So nandito ngayon tayo, pababa tayo ngayon. So sa compressor tayo titingin. So chinik natin yung compressor. Ayun, oh, nakita mo, ang dami, grabe, oh. Nakita nyo yung leak. Bagong compressor yan, mga kabro o mga So it's a new compressor, has been replaced like not even a month. It's like just a few weeks only. So after he recharged the Freon, so still leaking. Like, see, it's too bad, right? So I think there's a warranty, but I'm not the one who replacing this compressor. So I told her that she brought it to, or she bring it to the person who did this compressor. I know I can do it, but the problem is there is a warranty on it. So make sure that the compressor has been replaced to another one. So this is reconditioning compression or AC compression only. So sometimes we cannot 100% sure that it is good. So sometimes, yeah, you can see the problem like this. Okay, so I use the violet or the UV lights, no? So that we can see the leak or the oil. Okay. That's the good thing that we know that the oil is leaking on the compressor. Okay, I check all the line, it's nothing. So hopefully this video will help you how to find leaks. And another advice for the person who wants to recharge your air conditioning, I do suggest don't use a bottle or the bottle one AC Freon, the one that you can buy to store, no? It's not a proper what you call that, like a proper capacity, no? Okay, so this AC compressor or AC system, it's about like if you look at this, okay, malabo, okay, 600 or 60 kilogram, so means 600 grams you need to refill on this AC system. Okay, so I always advise that you always go to the proper shop or proper person that has this kind of machine. Okay, I'm not saying that because I have a machine, no. Even though before I don't have a machine, I never used this kind of Freon, that the one you buy from a store. Okay, so that's the good thing. So sometimes when you refill the Freon, like 2 bottles, right? So sometimes it's not enough for your system, and besides you never clean the system as well, right? So if you have this kind of machine, so you can recover, you can vacuum and see if there's any leak before you recharge the new Freon, and then you can refill a proper amount of Freon. That's a good thing to know, because refrigerant, it it's not good if more or less, right? So always follow the manual specification, okay? Don't just refill it, okay? That's the good thing for that. And then yeah, so hopefully you like this video, and then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.